In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your beginning balance during your first reconcile in QuickBooks Online. If you're trying to complete your first reconciliation and the beginning balance does not match your bank statement, don't worry. This usually means the opening balance in the account register is either incorrect or missing. The good news is that you can fix it directly in QuickBooks Online by checking the account register and making a simple correction. To begin, go to the Settings menu by clicking the gear icon. From there, choose Chart of Accounts. This is where QuickBooks stores all of your financial accounts, including your bank accounts and credit cards. Find the account you're trying to reconcile and then click View Register. The register gives you a transaction-level view of everything recorded in that account. Once you're in the register, sort the transactions by date, with the oldest transactions first. This helps you move back to the very beginning of the account history so you can find the original starting entry. You're looking for a transaction that shows opening balance equity in the Payee or Account column. That is typically the entry QuickBooks uses to establish the account's opening balance. If you do find that entry but the amount is wrong, click directly on the transaction to open it. Then update the dollar amount in the deposit column or in the receive column depending on the account type so that it matches the actual opening balance shown on your bank statement. It's important to use the exact amount from the statement because even a small difference can cause problems when you reconcile. After making the change, click Save. If you do not see an opening balance entry at all, you'll need to create one manually. Click the Create or New button and choose Journal Entry. Set the date to 1 day before the start date of the bank statement you plan to reconcile. This is important because the opening balance needs to exist before the first statement period begins. In the journal entry, debit the bank account you are reconciling and credit opening balance equity. Then click Save. After either correcting the existing opening balance or creating the missing one, go back and start the reconciliation again. Your beginning balance should now match the statement, allowing you to move forward more smoothly. Always double-check the date and amount before saving, because accuracy at this stage sets up the rest of your reconciliations correctly.